In this video, I'll show you how to create a profit and loss report in Xero. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're inside, go to the accounting menu and click Reports. Next, scroll through the list of reports and select Profit and Loss. This report shows your income, expenses, and overall profit for a selected period. After that, choose the date range you want to analyze, such as this month, this quarter, or this financial year. Now click Update to generate the report based on your selected period. Next, review the report carefully. You will see total income at the top, followed by cost of sales, expenses, and your net profit at the bottom. After that, you can customize the report by adding tracking categories, comparing periods, or filtering specific accounts if needed. Now you can export the report as a PDF or Excel file if you need to share it with your accountant or team. Finally, save the report or add it to your favorites for quick access in the future. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a profit and loss report in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.